That's good that you have that mentality of like longevity.
Yeah.
I feel like that's something that some artists like they miss out, especially like I see that a lot in like realistic artists where, and this is something that I feel really strongly about and I want to like teach people that it's not, you know, you can make a tattoo that looks exactly like a picture, but that doesn't mean that that's gonna last over time. You know, you can make a beautiful tattoo, take a picture of it, it looks great because it's so hyper realistic, but that's just not gonna hold over time. You gotta add certain lines in certain areas, certain contrast in certain
technique.
areas. Yeah,
you
and
do
like you
it.
have to make changes and adjustments and understand that it's not, you can't tattoo it the same way that it looks in an image because the image that you're looking at, generally you're looking at it on an iPad, it's digital, or you're looking at it on a piece of paper. It doesn't age the same way on skin, and usually when it heals it loses a little bit of contrast anyway, so you have to make up for that by adding contrast, by adding lines and doing stuff like that.
Yeah.